Well, let's talk about ONGC now. It's certainly a stock to watch out for. The government has announced, it's been made official with the exchange filing by the company too, that the government will be selling 1.5% in ONGC to raise about 3,000 crore rupees via an OFS, which will be launched today. My colleague Samit joining in with that story. It's a big development to watch out for. The timing, of course, very interesting. Over to you, Samit.
Well, yes, definitely ONGC will remain in focus because the government has launched its offer for sale to sell nearly 1.5% stake in the company. Now, the base offer is of 0.75% stake with an option to upscale this by another 0.75% if the response remains good. So, the total offer is of 1.5% and the floor price for this stake sale is 159 rupees, which is a discount of nearly 7% to the current market price of around 170 rupees. Now, the offer for sale will remain open for 2 days, that is today and tomorrow. For today, the shares will be offered to non-retail shareholders, while tomorrow it will be offered to retail shareholders. Now, this offer for sale by the government has taken the analyst community by surprise. Now, there are two reasons for this. Firstly, because in 2020, the government had clearly said that going forward, they won't be taking the ETF and the OFS route to sell their stake in the company to protect the value of the shareholders and to protect the stock value. And secondly, because ONGC's earnings are expected to rise exponentially. And there are two factors for this. Firstly, because Brent crude has continued to remain above the $100 per barrel level. In fact, Brent crude is currently trading at $110 per barrel level. And if you see from 1st of April, the domestic gas prices are expected to double to nearly $6.5, and both these factors are expected to aid ONGC's earnings. So despite these positive factors, why government is selling the stake in this OFS for just 3,000 crore rupees, and that's the reason why this offer for sale has taken the analysts by surprise, and it would be important to watch out for now what the response is and how the share price reacts going forward.
Okay, so watch out for ONGC. On the last 2 days of the financial year, we are seeing the government, the promoter, sell 1.5% stake in the company. Thanks a lot, Samit, for joining in.